In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset an LG ThinQ G7 smartphone. The first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. To fully power the phone off, press and hold down the power button. Power off. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time until you see a screen appear. Once you see a screen appear, you then immediately, quickly have to let go of the power button and then immediately press and hold it down again while still holding down the volume down button. Okay? Let go. Press again. Okay, now let go of all of the buttons. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is, using the volume down button, go to yes. Press the power button. Using the volume down button, go to yes. Press the power button. And there you go, the hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like this video, and thank you for tuning in.